Hi, I'm Jason Johnson, a user interface design engineer at Ford Motor Company, and I'm standing in front of the 2012 Ford Focus with Sync with My Ford Touch, and I'm going to demonstrate how Sync allows you to connect your mobile devices while keeping your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road while using voice control. So here we are inside of the Ford Focus, and I have my Bluetooth enabled phone connected to the car. I also have my iPhone 3GS that I'm using as an iPod connected to one of the two USB ports in the center console. So in the center console I have two USB ports, one for my USB media player, my iPhone, and then the other one is being used for internet access. So this is a 3G USB broadband modem or a dongle, and this provides a 3G internet access to the cloud, to the web. And Sync is rebroadcasting that signal, creating a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot in the car. And the SD card and the 3 RCA jacks provide other connectivity options as well. So My Ford Touch is really the 8-inch touchscreen, and note how everything is mapped out in a very logical way: entertainment, phone, navigation, and climate control. And I mentioned voice control and voice recognition being the primary feature of keeping your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. And I'll give a couple of demonstrations from each of the four corners.
Please say a command.
Play artist The Beatles.
Playing artist The Beatles.
So note how the album cover artwork is transferred from my device and shown on the screen. And instead of reaching down to my device while I'm driving and trying to fumble through and find the Beatles, I can just use voice control to say play artist The Beatles. Play artist, play album, play genre, play playlist. Any content on my device I can access with my voice. The same holds true for phone. Every time I come into the vehicle, the phone book automatically downloads and transfers. So I can say call Aisha, my wife, call Andrea Meyer, and then a phone call will be initiated hands-free. Mm-hmm. The great thing is if you receive an SMS text message. Alternatively, I would reach down to my mobile device and look and read the SMS, but Sync will read the SMS back to me.
Please say a command.
Read message.
Welcome to Sync with My Ford Touch. Happy smiley laughing out loud.
So Sync even knows how to say the happy smiley and the laughing out loud. The great example with voice control, we're able to recognize up to 10,000 commands at the first level after pulling the voice switch. Simplifying the destination entry process was really important to us. So we're simulating that we're in Washington, D.C., the GPS signal, and we will route to the White House.
Please say a command.
Find a street address.
In District of Columbia, say a street address including the city.
1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, Washington.
When ready, press the voice button and then say set as destination, or say changed something.
Set as destination.
Setting destination.
So the system's calculating a route, and then I'm on my way.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And this is going to be available next year in the UK?
Yes, next year in the UK. Part of our globalization strategy is to make technology accessible to the masses in all regions. So Sync with My Ford Touch is currently available in North America, and we'll be expanding to Europe next year and other regions around the world.
Excellent. Thank you very much.